Peach freezer jam is so good because it maintains some of that fresh fruit flavor in the jam as opposed to the cooked jam, which I still love. The only downside to the freezer jams is that they do take up some freezer space. I begin by blanching and peeling my peaches, and then I cut them in half and I pit them. You could cut them smaller, but I've found since I use the blender, it doesn't really need to be any more than in half. Then I'll place my peaches in my blender and I'll blend them on low. I need to get 1 2/3 cup worth of puree. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and I'll mix that in. And then I'll mix 2/3 of a cup of sugar with 2 tablespoons of instant pectin. The instant pectin is a little bit different than the basic one. It specifically says it's a freezer pectin and that it's for no-cook jams. The really important thing with this pectin is that you don't have to cook it to activate it. Then I'll stir together the pectin and the sugar, and this is just because if I dropped that pectin right in there with all that liquid, it would just clump up, and I don't want it to do that. So when you mix it with the sugar, you make it dispersed a little bit more. Then I'll add the sugar and the pectin to my peach mixture, and I'll mix it together for about 20 seconds, again on low. If I was doing this by hand, I would want to mix it for about 3 minutes. Now I'll add it to my freezer safe container, leaving anywhere from 1/2 inch to 1 inch of headspace, which is the space from the top of the food to the top of the container. That just allows some extra space for expansion when it freezes. Then I'll place my airtight lid on it, and I'll put it on the counter for 30 minutes so that it can rest and activate that pectin. Now I'll place it in the freezer and it should be good for up to a year. And then when I want to use it, I'll allow it to thaw a little bit and then I can use it on my toast or whatever it is that my heart desires to use the freezer jam on. And then I'll store it in my refrigerator and use it within the next 3 weeks.